Okay. Now, we're gonna try another one. I'll change the color so you can kind of differentiate the work. Right now, this one is in factored form. Now, I need to convert it to standard and to vertex, and I cannot go straight to vertex from factored. I have to go through standard. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it into standard first. When we're foiling, you can do it with arrows if you like. I like to do the box because it's the same method every time, but a lot of people foil with arrows and you're gonna get the same thing, so that's not a problem. Now when I'm going from factored, remember the factors are what we got on the outside when we did stuff like this. So if I'm doing the opposite, these things go on the outside of the box. Then I'm gonna find the area of the box. So x times x, x squared, x times negative 6, 8 times x, 8 times negative 6, and then I'm going to add up all my pieces and combine any like terms. So there's my standard form. And then I can do my extra box to get my vertex form. So there's my vertex form. Okay. All right. We'll do one more color change just to differentiate. All right. Here's another one that's considered two forms. It might help if I write the +0 here so that you can see that this is for sure vertex form. And then the other way is, or the other form it is it's also factored form. Okay. To see it as factored form, remember that if I have something squared, then that is the same thing as saying x plus 1 times x plus 1. So the same thing times itself twice. So there's my two factors. So I just have to put it into standard form. So I'm going to FOIL it out either with arrows or with the box. So x squared plus 1x plus 1x plus 1. Add up my like terms, and there is my standard form. Okay, last one is in vertex form. Now I can't go straight from vertex to factored, so I'm going to go ahead and do standard first. Anytime we're dealing with vertex, that's when we have the extra box. The -9 was what was in the extra box. And then n minus 4 squared, there's two of those, so that's what's going to go on either side of my box. And then I can FOIL these together. Oh, I hate when that does that. So n squared, -4n, -4n, 16. And I'm going to add up all 5 of my like terms this time. So n squared minus 8n plus 7. So there's my standard form. And then I can do a box to get the factored form. I'd love for you to try that on your own. And I'll put the answer right here so you can check your answer.